Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade cookies easily. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar ready. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or about 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven heats, drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. This allows them to spread without touching. Bake for approximately 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. This ensures a chewy texture. Almost there. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This brief cooling period helps them firm up, making them easier to transfer without breaking. After 2 minutes, carefully move the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Storing your delicious homemade cookies in an airtight container will keep them fresh for up to 5 days. Now, grab a glass of milk and enjoy your perfect, easy-to-make treats.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.